Hi, my name is Scott Frank with the University of Colorado, and I'm here talking about Maxi-Therm. We've had really good success with our building heating system, and during startup, we've had really good training. We went out to Maxi-Therm and got training for a number of our guys. Actually, I think we sent a couple guys out there a couple times, and just got good reviews on the efficiency. See how efficient they are. We get really good efficiency out of these units and seem to be pretty reliable at this point.